Hey guys, it's John Wright from Safety Networks again, and today we're going to be showing you a level 3A armored laptop. Well, 3A-ish. What we did is I went out to MilDef, the manufacturer of special ops combat laptops, and told them what I'm doing for the school kids by armoring laptops. So they sent me one of theirs, and what I did was, we've got the armored laptop set up down there. 308 full metal jacket, 168 grain at 35 feet. No surprise, it went through. But what's on the inside is interesting. I've got two of these Citizen Armor Nano Protec level 3A soft armor with a V50 rating of a 0% probability of penetration. I've got two of these in here. I've got one here in the behind where the screen would be, and there's another one installed under the keyboard. And in addition to that, to try and make it lighter, I've got 40 layer of Dyneema SB21 installed behind this carbon nanotube fiber. So we're going to mount this up and we're going to hit it.
5.56, 62 grain, full metal jacket.
Ready. 5.56, that's the 308. Nada. I'm gonna shoot 3 times over here and 3 times over here in succession.
Targeting right side.
But you see, this one did not penetrate. But these here are on top of each other. Let's send one more right here. Let's do that. This is the inspection. You can see the front where the rounds went through the first 2 layers of armor, and then here is the proof in the pudding. Here is where we stacked those 4 rounds that were on the left-hand side. This is where they hit, and yeah, they went through. Totally went through. There's no slugs there. Here's one where we shot right below it, and the round is in there. There she is, right there. All right, oops, leave that there so you can see it. Here is the 2 that were stacked on the left-hand side, right here. And there's one, and here's the other. No penetrations. Now let's move down to the single one. Right here, it didn't even hardly get in. It didn't even make it in. Yep, so there it is. And no penetration. Overall, this test exceeded my expectations because the ones that did get through were stacked upon each other. So overall, great test. Once again, I'm John Wright for Safety Networks. See you next time.